Here we will going to see Wdge and dash formula, projection formula, and model and orientation of group, how it changes. If you see this structure, this is, if you see it's a this group is behind the plane, and these three groups are towards you, above the plane. So the molecule is actually like this. It is what we have to assume: this red is 1, this is green is 2, and yellow is 3. The white, which is least priority group, which is white, is backside. So this molecule means you are seeing this molecule like this way: 1, 2, 3. So it is moving toward right side. The direction is right side. So it is R. It is having R configuration. What if I will orient this molecule like this? If you see what is happening, these two groups, green and white, they are in the same plane. This is above the plane, red, and yellow is below the plane. So what molecule we are seeing here? Second, this is the representation in 3 dimensions. This is 1, below is 3, above is 2, and left side we are seeing 4. These two are in the plane. This is above the plane, this is below the plane. But if you see orientation, if you want to see, you have to tilt like this. The least priority group always be back of the plane. Again, orientation is same. Here 1, 2, 3, R. Then what we will do is that we will move this least priority group in front and 3 groups at the back of the plane like this. Now this is the representation of this model. Here what you are seeing, this is a representation. So we are seeing this molecule like this actually, and if you see this red, which is having priority 1, then green 2, and yellow 3. And interesting thing is that this hydrogen is pointing toward you above the plane, and if you see the orientation, it is 1, 2, 3. It is yes, but actually it is not the way we have to see. We have to see by moving this molecule like this. So it is R. Second option is that we know that it is orienting in opposite way, so we can convert this yes into R. Yes means R, and R means yes if the least priority group is pointing toward you. And this geometry, this orientation, where this least priority group is toward right hand side, and the second group is and fourth is group white group, they are in the same plane. Then what you are seeing is that the highest priority group 1 is below the plane, and the third priority group is above the plane. So this is the orientation of this molecule, this Wdge and dash projection. This is actually the molecule you have to imagine. And if you see orientation, their R and S configuration is not changed. This is still R configuration 1, 2, and 3. And if you want to see the same with the S configuration, you have to take the mirror image of this molecule, that is enantiomer of this molecule. Then you will find what we see here, the same thing, but the orientation, the conformation will always be yes. So this is Wdge and dash projection formulas and R and S configuration, and different orientation does not change R and S configuration, only the way how we are looking, that is changed.